Wouldn't it be great if you could reduce your building's energy costs while also receiving the benefits of human-centric lighting and controls? Introducing Smart Blu 2.0, the world's easiest, most affordable Bluetooth lighting control. Smart Blu 2.0 lights are color tunable and embedded with motion and photo sensors. They are easy to install and do not require manual configuration or extra wiring. And there's no need for LAN, network, or internet access thanks to the built-in Bluetooth mesh network. Download the Smart Blu 2.0 app and watch video tutorials to begin programming your lights quickly. Need a bit more light? No problem. Want a warmer or cooler light? That's easy. Maybe you are interested in Circadian Rhythm lighting with the new daily cycle function. Or maybe you have a common lighting scenario you'd like to pre-program. Setting up a new scene is a breeze. And of course, you can create whatever lighting schedule you may need. When you're done, the lights automatically do the rest. They adjust to daylight, and you can set how low your lights will go when the sun comes in. Know when you're around and when you're not. Saving you power on your terms and your schedule. Smart, right? Smart Blu 2.0 can dramatically improve lighting in schools, offices, warehouses, and stores. And best of all, Smart Blu 2.0 is a future-proof technology, which means you won't be replacing your fixtures with new advancements for many years to come.